At the cost of Pumphrey, at the cost of Mrs. Pumphrey's, all the diet that she's providing the dog, they are having a nice time. So then he says, it was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. It was a temptation. Temptation, a kind of, he felt this thing. He felt like a kind of greed in his, he was attracted to this. It was a very greedy kind of thought that came to his mind. Chalo, let us have this dog for a longer time. Why? If we have this dog for a longer time, what will happen? We will get more food. जब तक ये रहेगा यहाँ पर ना, तब तक तो मिसेस पंफरी ने लाना ही लाना है ना. तो उसने कहा चलो, he was quite he was tempted. This idea came to his mind. Let us keep the dog for a longer time. It was a temptation to keep Tricky as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering. Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering. Why suffering? Yesterday we had a word which is similar for this suffering, which I told you it is found. What is that word? Found in the mountains? Related to the mountains, the trees, what is that? Pine. P-I-N-E. So Mrs. Pumphrey was, instead of suffering, we can also write pining. And after a fortnight, felt compelled to phone. Compelled means forced to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. So now doctor says, oh, poor Mrs. Pumphrey, बेचारी. कितना वो मिस कर रही है इसको. कहीं वही बीमार ना हो जाए इसके चक्कर में. तो भाई कुछ ऐसा करो कि यार मिसेस पंफरी को भी ज्यादा परेशानी ना हो. तो उसने फोन करके उसने बता दिया भाई अब हो गया, इसे ले जाओ. You can take it back. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Within minutes, what does this show? Mrs. Pumphrey was waiting. For what? For a call. From whom? From the doctor. बिल्कुल वो इंतजार कर रही है इसका कि बस एक कॉल आए और मैं झट से जाके उसको लेके आऊं. So within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. What is this gleaming black metal? Gleaming means shining. What is black metal? Means made up of metal. What is that? Car. 30 feet long car. Drew up outside the surgery. Means outside the place where he was kept, the hospital. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. Interior of what? Interior of the car. The car was so huge, so big, so luxurious. Mrs. Pumphrey एकदम से उसमें नजर ही नहीं आ रही थी. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. C-L-A-S-P, clasped. क्या होता है clasped? दोनों हाथों कर लो ऐसे. Clasped. Fingers in fingers. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? So that is her concern. That is her anxiety for the dog. She asks the doctor, is he really better? सही में सही हो गया क्या? Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn. Now what is this hurtling? Hurtling is moving at a great speed. Moving very fast. अब तुम देखो. A dog is chasing another dog round and round. एक गार्डन में 2-3 डॉग्स एक दूसरे का पीछा कर रहे हैं. तो कैसे? धीरे धीरे चलेंगे, दौड़ेंगे. And in their midst, among them, ears flapping, F-L-A-P-P-I-N-G. What is flap? Have you seen the this thing? Ears of an elephant, huge, and he can move them like this, like a fan. That is a flapping movement. Tail waving. So we find, oh, Tricky has changed. He has become so energetic. He has become so enthusiastic. He has started enjoying company. Was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, you can underline this line. In 2 weeks, what had happened in 2 weeks? In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a little hard-muscled animal. Okay, earlier was he hard-muscled earlier? No. Why? Because he was not getting the proper exercise. So he did not have the hard muscles. His muscles were quite, they may be like very loose and very, not in a good shape. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. Lithe is, very, not loosely hanging. but very active, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack. Keeping up well means he was competing with the pack. What is pack now? All of you know the meaning of pack is the group of dogs is a pack. Pack मतलब ये नहीं वो बंधे हुए थे सारे. Group of dogs. Pack of, like we say, pack of wolves. Pack of dogs. Stretching out in great bounds. Okay. So what was he doing? Stretching out in great bounds. B-O-U-N-D, bound. Bound has different meanings. One bound is tied up, bound. Here the bound means, like we say, leaps and bounds. Okay, leaps and bounds. तो बाउंड क्या होता है? मतलब छलांग लगाना, लंबी वाली. Stretching out in great bounds. Now you see, the dog has got 4 legs. When he makes a jump, so the distance between the front 2 legs and the rear 2 legs, it increases. तो जितनी ज्यादा जंप होगी उतना आगे और पीछे की टांगों में गैप ज्यादा होगा, तो इसे बोलते हैं ग्रेट बाउंड. तो वो स्ट्रेच कर रहा था अपने आप को लंबे लंबे बाउंड्स में. His chest almost brushing the ground. Okay, his chest almost brushing. Brushing means just it was scraping, touching the ground. What does this show? It shows that Tricky is putting in much effort. Tricky is trying hard. Tricky is trying his best. बहुत कोशिश कर रहा है वो. क्या करने की? दूसरे डॉग्स के साथ compete करने की, उनके साथ struggle करने की. And this all happened in how much time? I think it happened in 2 weeks. I'm not sure. Yes, we'll find out. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms. Took off. Very, very easy. Take off क्या होता है? Take off. Take off. Like a plane takes off. So he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap. Tremendous leap. Long jump he made. And sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. Direct from the doctor was carrying him now. Direct doctor के lap में से जाके वो कहाँ पे land किया? Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled ooh. Startled, surprised. Oh, she had never seen such a active and agile dog. She gave a startled ooh and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. Okay, had to defend herself. Oh, she must have got a surprise. अचानक से उसको ना बड़ा सरप्राइज लगा. क्यों? अरे इतना एक्टिव हो गया ये डॉग. Swarmed over her. अब देखो डॉग क्या कर रहा है, उसकी लैप में है ना, क्या कर रहा है? कभी उस पर क्लाइंब करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, कभी उसके फेस को लिक कर रहा है, कभी उसके ऊपर भौंक रहा है. Swarming over means जैसे what is a swarm? SWARM. Swarm is large number, like we say swarm of flies. हिंदी में कहते हैं झुंड. Swarm of flies, swarm of mosquitoes. Swarming over means covering. So the dog was almost covering her all over, her face, and barking at her. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds. अब देखो कितना material था उसके साथ. So much of things he had been brought with him, and all these are unnecessary. Nothing of these is required. Beds, toys, cushions, coats, and bowls, none of which had been used. Okay. Why? Why hadn't they been used? They hadn't been used because they were not required. A dog does not require toys to play. A dog does not require cushions, coats, bowls, etc., beds. So all these unnecessary things were also sent along with him. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Tears shone in her eyes. She was crying. What kind of tears were they? They were tears of joy, tears of happiness. Her lips trembled. Trembled means shook, vibrated. Oh, Mr. Harriet, she cried. How can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery, she says. She is so indebted. She's feeling so lucky. She does not know how to thank the doctor. She says, how can I thank you? I don't have words to thank you. You have done such a splendid job. You have done a great job. This is a triumph of surgery. This is a victory. This is a victory of surgery. Means what you have done is unimaginable. What you have done is, it is ultimate thing that you have done. You have made my dog healthy again. And she says it's a triumph of surgery. Means your surgery has won over the disease or the problem of the dog. Okay. So she gives a compliment to the doctor and she appreciates him. But if we look at the compliment, she says it's a triumph of surgery. तो भाई कोई सर्जरी हुई थी क्या? Nothing had happened. Did the doctor, लिखा है कहीं लेसन में भी डॉक्टर ने कहा हमने उसे रोज सुबह शाम एक एक इंजेक्शन लगाया? नो. कहीं लिखा हो भी डॉक्टर ने कहा हमने उसे मेडिसिन दी, ये वाली मेडिसिन दी जिससे कि वो सही हो गया? नो, वी डोंट हैव एनी सच अकाउंट. एंड द डॉक्टर हिमसेल्फ सेज व्हाट डिड ही डू? He kept him away from food, number one. Number two, he gave him good exercise. Okay, and third, what else? He gave him a natural environment. बट उसने बताया नहीं मिसेस पंफरी को कि भाई मैंने ऐसे किया इसको सही. रीजन क्या था? अगर वो ऐसे बताता उसे लगता भाई ट्रीटमेंट ही नहीं किया इसने. तो पूरा प्रोसीजर नहीं बताया उसने इफेक्ट दिखाया उसका. एंड हाउ वाज द इफेक्ट? इफेक्ट वाज वेरी एनकरेजिंग. इफेक्ट अच्छा हुआ ना उसके ऊपर, डॉग के ऊपर, तो इफेक्ट बड़ा एनकरेजिंग था. और मिसेस पंफरी ने इफेक्ट देखा तो शी वॉज overjoyed. Her joy knew no bounds and she says it's a triumph of surgery. Okay, so that is the end of the chapter.